Hello.
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 So we want to play the game the brain gym today again. So who is going first? Oh yeah, pick. Okay, I've picked. Let me pick one. This one is everyday objects.
Everyday objects? What is everyday objects?
Things we use every day.
Oh.
I think it's picked two cards together.
And my one is natural.
Nature
And
weather.
Weather.
Nature and weather. So
you start.
I have a hand and a spout and I make a hot drink. What am I?
Hot drink. Teapot.
Oh, that's correct. Your turn.
I am a tall.
Don't spoil it. Don't
I
spoil
am a
it.
tall. Piece.
Piece. Peace.
I am a tall piece of land with a peak at the top.
Is it ill?
P-E-A-K, but the A don't count, so it's
Is the answer hill or mountain?
mountain.
Mountain, correct.
When I said top, it's the last one I missed.
I open and close to let people in and out. What am I?
Key.
I open and close to help people in and out. What am I?
Oh, it's not key.
1, 2, I'm counting to 5. 3. Wrong. I open and close to let people in and out.
That's thing.
And it's not handle, it's door. The old door. The door opens for you to go in. It opens for you to go in and come out. So I open and close to let people go in and come out. Oh yeah, come and ask yours. It's a door. You are saying key. You had an idea. What's key? Is it key that will open? So when you hold key, you can go in and out. If I open a key like this, you not go in. It's the door.
Oh, I get it. I am dry, sandy, and have very little rain. What am I?
Dry.
I am dry, sandy.
Is it summer?
No, sandy and have very little rain. What am I?
It's not summer.
No. Very little rain.
Oh. What's this weather called?
I can give you
Don't give me hints. Spring.
No, it's not even.
It's not a weather.
No.
No. Give me one hint.
It starts with the letter D.
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 I don't know. What is it?
D-E-S-E-R-T.
Desert.
Desert.
I get filled with letters, but I am not the alphabet. What am I?
You get filled
with letters, but I am not the alphabet. What am I?
I
am not the alphabet. I get filled with letters, but I am not the alphabet. What am I?
I didn't see anything.
You cannot see anything.
Because I was just looking at
You cannot see anything. What am I? Going.
Serious?
Serious. I did not say food though. I said I'm playing. My game is everyday object. It is mailbox. We put letters in the mailbox, but it is not an alphabet. Ask your question.
I know a one without the card. I am green, white, and am I?
Forest.
And
What is tree?
no,
Forest, correct or not?
correct. And there's also the second one,
Jungle. But I still got it right. I have a handle, but I am not a door. You use me to brush your hair. What am I?
Hair, yeah,
You use me to brush your hair.
hair.
It's
Comb.
not comb. It's airbrush. It's still correct, duh. But it's not comb for it because it says I have a handle, but I am not. Okay. It's correct. Your turn.
And what are you doing?
I'm writing this course
Right,
now.
wrong, right. Right, wrong, right. I am made of small green. Grains.
GRA grains. I am made of small grains.
INC, not gray. This I there, not S.
Spell it again.
GRAINS.
Grains now.
Grains? I thought you said grains. I am made of small grains and found on beaches. What am I?
Found on.
Beaches.
Made of small grains. Sand.
Yes.
I almost thought I would miss it. Do you still have any question there?
What? Yes. It's only said spell. Said. He only spells this.
So do you still have one more question?
Yes.
Okay. I hold water, but have holes. What am I?
Sponge.
Ask yours.
Holds but still holds water.
Oh yeah. Ask yours.
I am long. Stream of water that follows into the ocean. What am I?
I am long stream of water. A river.
Yeah.
Correct.
How many correct do you have?
I have 3. I have 4. You have 3.
3, 4, 3, 4, 7.
I am the winner. I have
3,
4. So
4.
should we pick one more card, or is that all?
I need 2. I need 2. So that I will have 4. Or if I don't get it right, then you have to, because I have to guess. So that I will have
pick.
still no you.
Okay.
Because so that I'll have 4 like you.
Yeah.
But you need to pick only you, because I need to guess.
No, we
The last time.
That is not how to play games. I asked you questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. You also asked me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So that's even. So out of 5 times, you scored 3 out of 5. So out of 5, I scored 4 out of 5. But we have asked questions 5 times. So this one now means I am the winner. So if I am to pick a card now, then you are also to pick a card. If I ask you a question, then you must, because we are even now. It is equal. I asked 5 times, you asked 5 times, but I get it correctly 4 times, you got it correctly 3 times.
Okay.
So are we going again? No, that's all.
Again.
I think I've picked one now.
Yes.
I don't know.
That's what I have.
Nature and weather.
Yeah.
So I ask, I am big. I am big, bright, and shine during the day. What am I?
Sun.
Correct.
That looks like a star.
Oh yeah, yes.
I fall from the sky.
Rain.
As I'm not big.
Oh yeah, as what?
Yes, it's rain.
Okay.
As drops and help plants grow.
Is it that it is rain or snow? So that was why I was like, yeah.
It's rain.
I come after lightning and make a loud noise. What am I?
Thunderstorm.
Turn there.
Thunder.
Yeah, your turn.
I am
Yes.
frozen rain.
That
I am frozen rain that falls in winter.
Slow.
Yes. I just need to say what am I.
I am white and fluffy, floating in the sky. What am I?
Cloud.
Yeah, your turn.
Where am I? I cover most of the earth, and I salty.
I am salty.
I'm
Ocean.
yes.
I cover most of the earth and I'm salty. That's an ocean. I can be gentle or strong, and you can feel me but not see me. What am I? I can be gentle or strong, and you can feel me but not see me. What am I? Don't forget we are doing weather, nature and weather. Nature and weather. I can be gentle or strong, and you can feel me but not see me. Can't you see your hair? You can feel me but not see me.
I cannot even feel the air. I cannot feel it.
Okay, I thought you were saying, you said
I cannot feel it.
But it says I can be gentle or strong. How
can it be strong?
It's not air. So that's why air is not strong.
How can air be strong?
I said it is not air.
I said hair.
It is not.
I said hair.
And I said it is not. Thunder. I mean wind.
Yeah, wind is strong.
Wind. Oh yeah, what's your wind?
I am storm with heavy rain, thunder and lightning. What am I?
I am storm.
I am a storm
A storm.
with heavy rains, thunder and lightning.
Is that earthquake?
No, I am storm with heavy rain, thunder and lightning. Is earthquake, thunder and lightning? No, what am I?
I don't know. What is it?
Tornado.
Oh,
no,
and I wanted to say
it's
it
not
too.
tornado. It's thunderstorm.
Thunderstorm.
Yes, thunderstorm.
I appear after rain and have 7 colors. What am I?
Rainbow.
Ask your question.
I have the last one.
I've asked the last one too.
I am below in circles and can be very strong. Sometimes called a whisper. What am I?
Ah, yeah, you are reading in the rubbish. You are reading in
I
the
am
rubbish.
below.
Below?
In circles.
In circle?
Close.
Spell it.
Circles.
Okay. I'm below in circles.
And can be very strong. Sometimes called a twister. What am I?
Sometimes called a twister.
Yeah, it means it's sometimes like called a twister.
And that one is in nature and weather.
It is like thunderstorm.
I don't know. What is it?
Tornado.
Whatever.
Look.
So you are the winner.
Really?
Now you score 5 over 5. I scored 3. 3 plus 5, that's 8. You scored 8 over 10. 4 plus 3, I scored 7 over 10. High five.
I win the second time. I win the
Do
second.
you know how many times I have won?
How many?
I don't know. I can't remember because I wasn't counting.
6. I won the second time. Now I'm going to count. I won the second time. Yeah. I still need to beat my mommy. Like and subscribe.
You heard him. Like, share, and subscribe. And watch out for more fun games with my darling son. We can't wait for goodness to grow too. So
Yeah.
he can play games with us.